In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach files and mention teammates on a Jira Kanban issue. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently upload files, share context, and notify the right people directly from your Kanban board. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for, even if you're fairly new to Jira. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira account and open your Kanban project. Navigate to your Kanban space where you see your issues listed. In many setups, this is called something like All Work, or Backlog, or Board, but the key is that you're on the page showing your list of tasks or tickets. Next, click on the specific issue you want to work with. This could be a bug, a task, or a story. When you click it, Jira will open a detailed view of that issue, usually in a panel on the right or in a full page, depending on your configuration. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right item by checking the summary and any existing description or comments. Inside this issue view, look for the area where you can add comments or see attachments. You should see an option to attach files. Click on the Attach Files option. This is what tells Jira you want to upload something from your computer or device. When you click Attach Files, a dialog or small window will appear with a button to browse for files. Click on the Browse button. This will open your computer's File Explorer or Finder, where you can navigate to the file you want to upload. Take your time here to choose the correct document, screenshot, or other file that's relevant to this work item. It's a good habit to use clear file names so others immediately understand what they're looking at. Once you've selected your file, confirm the selection. Jira will usually bring you back to the attachment dialog, and you may see the file name listed, ready to be added. Now click on Attach. Jira will upload the file and attach it to the issue. After a moment, you should see the file appear in the Attachments section of the issue. Now that your file is attached, it's a great idea to provide some context. In the comment field, you can describe what you've uploaded and why it matters. To make sure the right person sees this, type the @ symbol followed by their name. Jira will show you a list of teammates to choose from. Select the correct teammate, finish your comment, and then post it. This both notifies them and keeps all the information together on the issue. You can repeat these steps to add more files and more comments as needed. This workflow keeps your work organized, makes collaboration easier, and ensures your team has everything they need directly in the Jira issue.